from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today, we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Emily will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.9% against the yen. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 6.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
A surge in the yen to a 7-month high led a broad dollar fall as a slew of economic data last week raised the prospect of a US economic downturn and bigger interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. The dollar index was down to its weakest since January the 12th. Heavyweight companies sold off as US recession fears, and Berkshire Hathaway's sale of half of its stake in the iPhone maker further deflated a months-long rally fueled by optimism about AI. Apple, Tesla, Alphabet and Amazon each dropped more than 4%, while Nvidia tumbled 7%. Major US stock indexes ended sharply lower as US recession worries shook global markets and drove investors out of risky assets, while Apple shares dropped as Berkshire Hathaway cut its stake in the company. The recession concerns followed weak economic data last week.
Thank you. And now, moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 4:30 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 3:35 GMT. The US 52-week bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.